Before we start this party, before we cut this cake, before we take these pictures, I gotta ask y'all something. Who raised you? Dad, I love you. Dad, I love you. Dad, I love you.
Dad, I love you.
Who taught you how to walk? Who taught you how to pray? Who stayed up all night when you were sick for days? Who showed up to the games? Who showed up to the school? Who taught you right from wrong when you thought you knew the rules? Maybe it was mama, working 2 jobs. Maybe it was daddy, giving all he got. Maybe it was grandma, holding down the fort. Maybe it was somebody the world never thought. That I love you.
Here's to the ones who raised us,
The ones who stayed
the ones who sacrificed
when we couldn't repay,
the ones who carry burdens
we never even knew. Before we celebrate ourselves, let's celebrate you. Dad, I love you. Shout out to the fathers who never got the praise, who went to work exhausted for decades and decades. Shout out to the single fathers doing double duty too, packing lunches, checking homework, trying to make it through. Shout out to the stepfathers who stepped into the fire, loved the child that wasn't theirs and never seemed to tire. Shout out to the grandfathers who became dads again when life called them back into the fight once more to win. That I love you.
Here's to the ones who raised us,
The ones who stayed,
the ones who sacrificed
when we couldn't repay, the ones who carry burdens we never even knew. Before we celebrate ourselves, let's celebrate you. Dad, I love you. Some gave money, some gave wisdom, some gave discipline, some was listening, some gave shelter, some gave courage. Everything needed from content to coverage.
Dad, I love
Now we're older, now we understand why your hands look tired, why you took that stand, why you worried so much, why you pushed so hard, why you kept believing when life dealt difficult cards. And if you're still here, I hope you hear this song. And if you've gone home, your lessons still live on. That I love you.
Here's to the ones who raised us,
The ones who
the
stayed
ones who sacrificed
when we couldn't repay, the ones who carry burdens we never even knew. Before we celebrate ourselves, let's celebrate you.
Dad, I love you.
Mama, daddy, grandma, grandpa, stepdad, single mother, single father. Who raised you? Don't wait. Tell them thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Dad, I love you.
Dad, I love you. This record is on fire, and his baby mama's running it back. Ooh. counted the most,
he came through.
when it counted the most,
He came through.
listen, I ain't the one for lying. He wasn't there when you wanted, but he was always on time. Mama used to fuss, say he never called, say he always late, never there at all. And maybe she was right, sometimes she was too, but every time the world got rough, somehow he came through. Car wouldn't start, Dad was underneath, middle of December, laying in the street. Didn't say much, just did what he do. Turned the key one time and somehow came through. He wasn't always on time, but he came through. He wasn't always around, but he came through. When it counted the most,
He came through.
when it counted the most,
He came through.
listen, I ain't the one for lying. He wasn't there when you wanted, but he was always on time. Didn't make every birthday, didn't catch every game. Life ain't always simple and people ain't the same. But when them boys got reckless and I got in too deep, Daddy showed up quiet and got me off that street. Never needed credit, never made a scene, just handled business then disappeared again. Taught me something powerful without a lecture too. A man ain't what he say, a man what he come through. He wasn't always on time, but he came through. He wasn't always around, but he came through. Who fixed the sink?
He came through.
Who changed the tire? Who changed the tire?
He came through.
Who answered late night?
He came through.
Who made it right?
He came through.
Now I'm getting older, things getting clear. Life ain't black and white like it looked from here. Mama told a story, Daddy had one too, and somewhere in the middle was the truth. So here's to all the fathers trying to make it do. Single dads, stepdads, the ones that follow through. You ain't gotta be perfect to deserve your due. Sometimes the greatest thing a father do is come through. He wasn't always on time, but he came through. He wasn't always around, but he came through. When it counted the most,
He came through.
when it counted the most,
He came through.
listen, I ain't the one for lying. He wasn't there when you wanted, but he was always on time. He came through.
He came through.
Don't go too fast, stay my baby. World so cold, Lord save me. First time she smiled, man, it changed me. Little pink shoes still drive me crazy.
Don't go too fast, please don't leave me.
One day she gone, that thought is not easy. I gave my heart the day God made her. Now every breath, I feel like Arnold Schwarzenegger in the Terminator.
First time I heard her, I cried in silence. Whole life changed soon as she arrived here. Tiny little fingers wrapped around my thumb. That's when I knew what real love was. Used to fear nothing, used to move reckless. Now every prayer got a name in it. Every late night, every hard day, every sacrifice was to keep her safe.
Don't go too fast, stay my baby. like Arnold Schwarzenegger.